Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Come here.
Come here.
Go there.
Go there.
Wait here.
Wait here.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Speak slowly.
Speak slowly.
Speak louder.
Speak louder.
Stop crying.
Stop crying.
Start again.
Start again.
Write it down.
Write it down.
Read it aloud.
Read it aloud.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Switch on the light.
Switch on the light.
Keep it there.
Keep it there.
Bring it here.
Bring it here.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Try this.
Try this.
Don't forget.
Don't forget.
Come on time.
Come on time.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Pay attention.
Pay attention.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Answer me.
Answer me.
Call him.
Call him.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Look outside.
Look outside.
Look inside.
Look inside.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Tell me.
Tell me.
Follow me.
Follow me.
Give it to me.
Give it to me.
Share it.
Share it.
Don't argue.
Don't argue.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Wash it.
Wash it.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Fold your clothes.
Fold your clothes.
Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
Tie your laces.
Tie your laces.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Close your notebook.
Close your notebook.
Find it.
Find it.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Don't interrupt.
Don't interrupt.
Be polite.
Be polite.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Believe me.
Believe me.
Trust me.
Trust me. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.